If you want to get iPhone ringtone on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then the first thing that we can do is go to the Play Store. Once you open the Google Play Store app, you should be able to go to search, and then over here we can search for iPhone ringtone. So we're just gonna enter that name, there we go. And of course you should be able to find multiple different apps that can provide some example iPhone ringtones. However, in my case, I'm gonna use this specific one. So I'm gonna show you how to set it up, how to get the iPhone ringtone based on this specific app. If you feel like trying any other app, then of course feel free to do so. I'm not saying that this is the only app that allows you to do so, so you have of course the option to try anything else if you don't like this one. So let's proceed, and let me quickly show you how we can use this app in order to set up the ringtone. So first we need to grant the permission, of course, in order to make the app be able to set up the ringtone. Over here in the ringtone section, you should be able to find various different ringtones. Of course, we can play in order to take a listen. And if you like the specific ringtone, you can tap on these three dots over here on the right side, and then we can press ringtone over here in this place. After that, of course, you might see an ad. The app is free, however, and there we go. We have this information that we have set this ringtone successfully. So we're gonna press OK. And let's give it a try. I'm gonna check if that is actually the case. So let's listen. There we go. As you can hear, I actually changed to iPhone ringtone. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.